I wanted to show you guys this mattress. I figured a video would be easier. Okay, it started to collapse on this side. And I had rotated it around. I've always kept it protected. It's definitely not Bella, the 20-year-old kitty cat, collapsing it. She loves making a cameo in these videos. I always had the protector on it as well. Bought the extra protection from you guys. This side has a catastrophic collapse, okay? Like up in here, it's just terrible. I mean, I'm just doing that with my cane and hardly any pressure. So you can see that it's just completely given out. So much so that when a person lays on this side, they practically roll out of bed, okay? And I had to flip it around to put this side over here about a year or so ago. The mattress is not that old. I want to say maybe 3 years. I know it has a lifetime warranty, so I'm hoping that you guys will be so kind. I did call about a year ago, indicating that it had collapsed, and they said, you all said you would replace it. I flipped it around. I do appreciate you all, and I'm having a new mattress. I believe it's you guys are delivering a new one today. And instead of having them haul this one off, since it has a lifetime warranty, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and update it, because I'm going to use the stand. It's like an adjustable stand and this mattress in my guest room that I'm setting up. So, hey everybody, this is, I guess, this was the doctor's choice mattress. And I don't know why they chose it. It did collapse on me, and there was no roughhousing going along. And I don't know, maybe Bella has super strength. What do you think, guys? Wow, she's just posing away. All right, have a good day.